Now it's time I invite our Queen Anshika Sharma to share some conversation with her. Let's have her.
Hi, hello Sudaksha Di.
Hi Anshika. Here, before you sit down, here's your sash.
Thank you.
You look absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you so much. So do you.
Before we start the conversation with Anshika Sharma, the beautiful dress that she's wearing right now is a tulle dress by Sangram, accessories by Arun Creation, hair and makeup by Sakil Kuhar, and the Bliss team, styled by Arati Subba and Ariri by Avinash Shrestha. Anshika, you look so amazing.
Thank you.
The performance that you just showcased here in front of all of us, you were fabulous.
Thank you so much. I think this is the 4 months of training that's showing. So Sakil and other team members are helping me a lot to groom myself. So I'm very grateful to everyone, and I feel that I have reached somewhere.
It clearly shows as well. And you look, so you did your makeup yourself today, or?
I did, yes.
You look stunning.
Thank you.
Before we talk about how you've prepared yourself, manifestation, because you use this word a lot and you believe in it, and after the crowning as well, you've manifested about winning the crown of Miss Universe, right? So what do you have to say about it?
I really do believe in the power of manifestation. I think that we all have universe within us, and the only thing that we need to do is realize and know that what we want to do in life, and ask within us, ask that we can actually achieve that thing and move forward, put our effort, and anything is possible. That's what I believe.
Absolutely, anything is possible. And you coming all the way from Australia, being here all this while, winning the crown in Nepal, and of course, hopefully you get the crown here as well. Let's talk about the 4 months training that you went through. What was the training session like? How was the experience overall for you?
So I was crowned on the 30th of December, and the training started the day after. And it's been 4 months. I've been trained on my hair and makeup skills, my styling skill, communication, walk training. I feel that within this 4 months of training, I've grown a lot as a person, because I have got this time to just pause and reflect on myself, to understand what I'm within and what I really want to do, especially at the Miss Universe stage.
All right, Anshika, let's talk about the training session, the 4 months of rigorous training that you went through. How was your experience like, and any specific thing that you realized in yourself that, okay, this was really important and this helped me groom better? One thing that you saw that change in yourself during the training session?
Right. I feel that everything that was taught to me, I was very receptive of everything. And at this point of the competition, I feel that every aspect of the competition is important. And I'm putting my full effort to learn whatever is taught to me.
Let's talk about your representation. How have you planned to represent yourself as an individual, as a country Nepal, there during your stay in Miss Universe?
Well, I'm going to take my Nepali-pun to the Miss Universe stage. I feel that we all Nepalese are very kind-hearted and warm and welcoming. So I will be the same person that I am, the authentic myself, the Nepali girl that I am, at the Miss Universe stage as well. So I will be welcoming everyone with my open arms, and whenever I smile, I would smile with a very warm heart, positivity, and I would also showcase my aura that I have gained throughout the years of being calm and composed. And I feel that being a Nepali, I also would like to take my culture, my pride to the universe stage, and that I will show from my national costume itself.
Yeah, so the national costume is so beautiful. Like when you all sat down together with the team, when you discussed and came up with the brilliant idea, what was your reaction like? How did you feel about it?
So the idea of taking Mount Everest to the universe stage was mine, because I feel like it is something that has never been showed at the universe stage, and I wanted to take something that is still relatable to Nepalese people, and what better than taking the pride of Nepal, the Mount Everest. So the idea was mine, but the execution was amazing. When I saw the national costume for the first time, I felt it was huge, and I felt a sense of relief, because the idea was huge, and I did not know how it can be executed. But the team is amazing.
They pulled it off so well.
They pulled it off so well. We have the best of Nepal's in this project: Mahabir Poon, Bina Ghale, the designer, and definitely the resources from Miss Universe Nepal team. So I am very amazed and very happy that of my national costume, and I will definitely be confident while I walk on that stage with that costume.
Shine on, like always.
Right.
Coming to the final question, we've seen that you've grown as an individual, and along with that, it's so important to have the social media presence as well, right? And from probably thousands to now so many people following you, looking up to you, looking at your stories, what's Anshika doing right now, and now you're heading to this big stage, right? What do you have to say to your followers, your supporters, for the continuous support, and of course to the support that you need when you're there away from home?
Well, I would love to express my gratitude, because I have never received so much of love in my life from so many people, and I feel very grateful to each and every one of them. I wake up with special messages, and that makes my day. I just want to say that thank you very much. Keep supporting, keep loving, and you can also vote for me to reach to the top 21 of Miss Universe, and that you can do by downloading the Miss Universe app and voting from there. Also, if you are in Nepal, you can use Khalti app and vote for Nepal. So it's very easy.
It's very simple. Download the app and vote for Nepal, because this is the time and the final call, I would say, because we've been saying, come on, Nepal, do this for the final time. But now I think it's the main, main project that we're going forward to, and that is Miss Universe, the big crown that Nepal wants this year. We're manifesting it together, right, Anshika?
Yes.
So with that said, thank you so much for all your efforts. Keep doing you, keep being yourself, and I'm sure you will do us all proud.
Thank you, Subhekshadi.
Thank you so much. Now with that, the press presentation comes to an end. Thank you so much to everyone supporting Miss Universe Nepal team, and of course Anshika. Until today, I hope you will shower the same love and support when she's there in the Miss Universe. I can't wait for Anshika to raise our national flag up on that Miss Universe international stage.